secret to rejuvenate and exfoliate my skin naturally. Let's whip up a fabulous sugar scrub. Hi, I'm Shyla from Simply Earth. Today, we're mixing a refreshing sugar scrub with nourishing ingredients to keep your skin smooth, hydrated, and glowing like never before. Our Winter Bloom Whipped Sugar Scrub isn't just any scrub. Its invigorating and hydrating vibes make it the perfect addition to your self-care routine, ensuring you feel fresh and glowing all winter. Before we dive into this recipe, I just want you to know that we at Simply Earth are obsessed with making it super easy to make natural DIY products. That's why when you subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box, you'll get the key ingredients you need for this recipe delivered right to your door. When you subscribe, we'll even throw in a big bonus box. You can also grab all the ingredients for this recipe at simplyearth.com. Store-bought sugar scrubs often contain harsh chemicals that we don't want on our skin. With this recipe, you can feel good about the sugar scrub that you're using. Simply Earth's Winter Bloom Whipped Sugar Scrub recipe is not only budget-friendly, your skin will love its soothing and nourishing benefits. So let's turn off all the distractions because making is healing. Join me as we create this fabulous Winter Bloom Whipped Sugar Scrub recipe. Here's the ingredients you'll need to make this whipped sugar scrub. You'll need 2 tablespoons of almond oil, which is nourishing to your skin, half a teaspoon of emulsifying wax. You'll need this ingredient to mix the oils for your scrub. Without this ingredient, the oils will stay separated and won't combine into a luxurious scrub. 1 teaspoon of beeswax. This creates a protective layer on your skin. 1/4 cup of solid coconut oil. Solid coconut oil is a natural moisturizer. 40 drops of fir needle essential oil. This oil helps promote emotional balance. 30 drops of blood orange essential oil. This oil helps promote youthful skin. From your home, you'll need 3 tablespoons of sugar. This helps to gently exfoliate dead skin. You can use regular cane sugar for this recipe, or you could use brown sugar. You'll also need a 4-ounce amber plastic jar or similar container. For tools, you'll need a hand mixer. Here are the instructions to make this whipped sugar scrub. First, melt the almond oil, emulsifying wax, and coconut oil together in a microwave using short intervals, or you can use a double boiler. Make sure your container is big enough to fit the hand mixer and the increased size of the whipped materials. Add essential oils and stir. Next, you'll place the mixture in the fridge to cool until it's a solid consistency. Use a mixer to whip the ingredients until it doubles in size and reaches a frosting-like texture. Add sugar and blend until combined. For your last step, you'll store your whipped sugar scrub in a sealable container and label it. To use this scrub, you'll apply to damp skin in a circular motion and then rinse away. To make this sugar scrub extra pretty, use a frosting piping bag and decorative tip to squeeze the sugar scrub into the jar. Don't forget to label it. Let's test it out. I love how smooth and soft my skin feels. If I can whip up this fabulous Winter Bloom sugar scrub, you can totally do it too. For natural DIY products made easy, subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box. When you make this recipe, take a photo and share it on social media with the hashtag #IMadeThis and tag From Simply Earth for a chance to win a free $5 gift card and be featured on our social media pages. If you like this video, be sure to check out these videos for more natural DIY recipes you'll see on the screen right after this. Thanks for watching.